a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. No suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill me.
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back, you guys. I was doing this hair review a few days ago, and I decided to like come back because I was kind of tired that night. So it's bright and early, and I'm about to do this hair review. This unit is from RPGSHOW. You guys already know the unit is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit. I feel like I'm ready to install it. Look at the color, you guys. It is so beautiful. It's like this muted blonde. It's not too shiny. It's kind of a muted blonde. If I had to say, it's more of a muted blonde, and I love it. So I did add a little dry shampoo to this hair just to thicken it up a little bit. You guys know I love me some dry shampoo. It's just beautiful. I didn't do anything to it yet. I didn't pluck it. I didn't do anything but cut the ear tabs, and I showed you guys that. Let me turn my phone on silent because everybody is gonna try to be talking to me. So we're gonna go ahead and glue this unit on. This is a unit that I would definitely keep into. I would keep this unit in my collection because I don't own anything like this. So let me show you what come with all of your RPGSHOW. RPGSHOW has been around for a long time, you guys. It's legendary, okay? When I tell you this company is top tier, it's the designer of wigs, okay? So this is the box, RPGSHOW, a really nice sturdy box. Inside you get some stocking caps, of course, and these look like the really thin ones. You also get a band to tie your leg units up. I love when companies send over this band. Oh my gosh, and this one here, this one doesn't have like the Velcro on it, so I feel like you can kind of alter it to the way that you want. I love that for us. They also sent over some deep conditioner to wash your unit. I didn't wash mine. Everything is just so professional. They also sent over what kind of wig it is. This is an 18-inch wig, a 21.5 through 22 cap size. It's a 13 by 6 glueless lace front wig, and it's a transparent Swiss lace, and the color is in light brown. And they also send you over a magazine with some amazing creators in here. I love this. And you also get a wig bag. So you don't get the silky bag, you actually get a wig bag that you can store your wig in, which is very nice and high quality. So yeah, after I take this unit off, I'm definitely gonna store it in this bag. So let's go ahead and get into putting this wig on, you guys, because I know that's what you want to see. So I'm not going to talk to this part. I'm just going to play my YouTube videos, and I'm going to go ahead and install this unit, and I'm going to be using these two products, 2 of each layer. So you're going to, before you get started, you want to make sure that you clean your hairline. This transparent Swiss lace is absolutely flawless, y'all. You don't have to glue this unit down if you don't want, but me, I always glue my units down. But it is a glueless unit, so it's not something that you have to do. You definitely can put it on and go with the flow, okay? But me, I always glue my units down. I don't snatch out any of my edges because I don't put the unit on my edges. I'm just going to remove some of the makeup right here so it can have like a clean canvas. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Enjoy the music, and I'm gonna just vibe out. So yeah. Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything comes. Your love is a winding fire. Goes on and on and on. You give. Pushing the unit down. Y'all know how we get down. Just want to make sure I pull it up far enough on my face. One thing I love about this glue, it's not messy. I always tell y'all that it's not. This install is always super easy if you use my techniques. If you use the Hold Me Down adhesive and the Wonder lace bond together, you let it dry. When I tell you your wig stick on like a sticker, it's not messy. You don't have to worry about the glue seeping through because it dries really quick and it's just easy. And I'm gonna blow dry it. I'm gonna add a little bit more spray right here, a little bit more glue. Okay, now I'm gonna just take my band and I'm gonna tie it as tight as I possibly can for about, I love this. I love how wide this is, so I can kind of tie it as tight as I want. So I'm gonna tie this for like 10 minutes, really, really tight. Like, this was a great idea to make this like this. It's just more, you can tie it as tight as you want. So I'm gonna sit here and suffer for about 10 minutes and let this kind of dry out a little bit. Look on my phone, scroll TikTok, and then we'll do a takedown. This is so tight, baby. It's only been like 4 minutes. I can't, it's so tight. I tied it so tight. But it don't need to be long. Whew, that was tight, y'all. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and push all the extra hair back. I'm gonna cut it in sections, so I'm gonna cut it like that, and then I'm gonna go get like a fresh eyebrow archer. I'm gonna get my really close-up mirror so I can make sure I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Okay, that looks like skin. Okay, so as you can see, it looks good, but I'm gonna go, before I even do this side, I'm gonna go ahead and add some glue here because I didn't put enough glue on my unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down, and then I'm gonna cut this side and glue it down, and we'll be back. Y'all get the whole thing. I'm just gluing the unit down, taking my time and making sure I melt it properly, because that's super important. If you want like a flawless install, you want to make sure you're melting it really good. Okay, you guys, so the unit is pretty much on. It looks flawless. I did pluck only a little bit. This is all the hair that I plucked around the hairline, just in the temple area, because I feel like with my temple area, just my personal, what I like, I love it to look a little bit thin around the temple area of the unit. That's all I do around the temple area, and I just kind of comb it out. That's just what I like. See how this is like looking like it's pushed back a little bit? That's kind of how I like my unit. This damn tweezer is not playing any game, but you do not have to pluck this unit. I promise you, it comes pretty plucked. Okay guys, so I did my baby hair, my little 1-2 baby hair. You guys know I always do that, and I add a little edge control around the hairline so it can be really flat to the head. That's how I like my units. I like around the hairline, not the rest of the hair, but around the hairline. I like to just add some type of edge control. I don't know, it just makes me feel like my hair looks more natural. So I've been doing that for a long time. So let's go ahead and throw some big curls on here. My upper lip is sweating because I'm hot, but this is gonna be really quick. I'm gonna just take my curlers. I don't want the curls to be super defined. I just want some loose curls. Like so. See if it holds a curl good. I'm gonna put some holding spray on this hair too. So far it looks so good. It's curling so nicely. Now I'm gonna, this hair, it does not come with a lot of hair, so you don't have to worry about it being super heavy because it don't come with a lot of hair, which is cool with me. As long as it's like got a nice little wave to it, that's good enough for me. See? And I still haven't cut any layers in this hair. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Yes, I miss my body wave hair, and I love this color. So I'm just taking little sections and I'm just cutting it, going down at an angle. Look at that color though. That color is banging. Y'all know this is my signature look. Okay guys, so I put my little loose curls in. Like I said, I don't like my hair super curly, so I'm gonna spray a little hairspray on this unit. Right, then we're gonna go ahead and flip it over. Little toss over method, bombshell curls, nothing too much. Yep. Alright y'all, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave the link to all of the information down below for this unit, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.